Fine, so we'll move to the next part of the experiments, that is same. This is all experiments related to esp32, and it is for JNT Anantapur Computer Science, third year, second sem IoT lab. So in the first experiment, third part we are doing, that is controlling servo motor with the help of joystick. So using a joystick, we have to connect with our esp32 and one servo motor. So based on the movement of the joystick, the servo motor has to move. So I prepared a program. So I prepared a program for interfacing both the joystick and then servo motor. So here we are using one library, esp32 servo library, and with the help of that library we are interfacing the analog pins corresponding to movements from the joystick to pin number 36 and 39. Actually, if you see esp32, 36 and 39 are not mentioned. They are mentioned as VP or VN on the ESP controller. So connect there. Anyhow, in the video I will show. And servo pin to the D18 is mentioned. We can connect over there our servo data pin. So one servo variable is used, and then serial begin for checking the movements and analog values, and servo has been attached using the servo function to the servo pin, that is pin number 18 in the setup. Next is reading the two variables we have declared to read the ADC values based on the movements in the joystick, and then same whatever the value comes, same angle will be mentioned here. So the servo will move in that particular angle from X direction or from the Y direction. So this is a very simple program for interfacing joystick with servo motor to analog pins connected with the VRX and VRY, means X horizontal position and Y vertical position representation values. This is about the program. After doing the program, just for uploading, click over here in the upload. Program will get uploaded. Now still it is compiling. It may take little time, like 30 to 40 seconds. Once compiling is done, it will start uploading in the controller board, that is our esp32 board. Now it is started uploading. It is uploading, so 100% is done. So this is what programming part. Anyhow, program will be provided in the comment section in the video. So for interfacing joystick with servo motor, we need esp32 module and one cable, and then one servo motor, and this is how the joystick module will be. In joystick module we have total 4 pins: ground, 5 volt, VRX and VRY. This is the joystick module. Then servo motor, this is how the servo motor will be. In the servo you will have 3 pins. Brown color is ground, red color is 5 volt, and orange color is data pin. That data pin we have to connect with the 18th of ESP32. In the ESP32, D34 till D34 is mentioned. After that VN and VP is mentioned, that is D35 and D36. So here we have to connect our VRX and VRY pins. So fine, we need a jumper also, because we need to provide 5 volt to joystick and 5 volt to servo motor, and only one 5 volt pin is available in the ESP32, that is VN and ground. So fine, what we will do is we will use some jumpers, like male to female jumpers. We will use some male to female jumpers. Male to female jumpers we will connect to VIN I connected, and in the breadboard all columns are connected together. So any one of the column I will use. So this particular column became VIN for me, and then I will connect one more column to the ground. So from the ESP32 ground pin I connected with cable, that is male to female connector, and in another column, any column I can use. So I use this column will be 5 volt, this column will be ground for me. So that 5 volt and ground I will provide to joystick. So 5 volt I am using one cable. Here is 5 volt. This 5 volt I have to connect here. because this is my 5 volt. And then ground pin. This is my ground. Here I will be connecting the ground connection. I am doing it. So 5 volt ground to the joystick is done, and 2 pins I need for RX and TX. So VRX and VRY I connected here, and those pins RX and RY I will be connecting beside. Enable is there. After enable, VP and VN is there. So RX and RY I am connecting here. Then to the servo motor also I need to provide 5 volt ground. So ground I am connecting here. Brown wire to the ground I connected, and then red wire I am connecting on the 5 volt here. This is 5 volt for me, and then one data pin is there. That data pin I will be connecting with the esp18 pin. So that is the yellow wire or orange wire. I am connecting on D18th pin on the D. Already program is uploaded. So yes, once I upload, already program is uploaded. So once I move, see here joystick when I move, so based on the movement in the joystick, servo is moving. So see here, slowly also if I move joystick, very slow it will move. Fast things it will move fast movements. See here, left means it is moving left, and right slowly I am doing it. So slowly it is moving to the right, and if I make a movement towards the left, it is moving to the left or else initial position. This is how joystick we can interface with servo motor. See how fast it is responding.